We have a question here. Student prepared 20% sodium hydroxide solution in beaker containing water. The observation noted are the following. Sodium hydroxide is in the form of pellets. This is a correct answer, as we know that when sodium hydroxide NaHOH, sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it will form pellets. So first one is the right answer. Second one, it dissolves readily. This is also a correct answer, because the sodium hydroxide is soluble in water and it mixes with water readily. So second one is also the correct answer. Third one, we have the beaker appears cold when touched from outside. This is not a correct answer, because this reaction is not endothermic reaction. So the third one is not the correct answer. Now going to the fourth one. Fourth one, red litmus paper turns blue, means that, as we know that NaOH is a base, so base converts red litmus to blue. So the fourth one is the correct option. So our correct options are first one, second one, and fourth one. For checking the answer options, first one is incorrect, as 1, 2, and 3 are given. Second one is also incorrect, as 2, 3, and 4 are given. Third one is also incorrect, as 3, 4, and 1 is given. But the fourth one is correct, as 1, 2, and 4 is given. So our required answer is fourth.